What's up, guys? Okay, so another update we got here. Everything is pretty much ready to be taken out. We've got the starter to undo and the shifter cable to undo. Those are the only two things left that we need to do to pull this engine. So as you can see, everything's undone here. I had to undo some lines for the power steering pump to make sure that was undone. Additionally, I've taken the fenders off of the truck on both sides. See if this direction looks a little better. So I don't know if we're gonna tube this. I would like to be able to have a tube that goes there down across. We're gonna chop right here before or after the struts there. Not struts, control arms, pardon me. And right there before that, we're gonna mimic this so that way we can put the bumper on. So the wheel wells are out. These are the QA1 coilovers, by the way. They look really good. I know I updated. Oh. So I know the power steering and everything is good. We need to undo the bolts down here. Let me get that in focus for you guys. On the heart, oh my god, I'm having a hard time speaking. The motor mounts on either side. And this is everything we've taken off so far off the truck. We got the wheel wells, probably not going to put them back on. Fender 1, Fender 2, the intake. That's the cross member that holds the hood. Oh, we've got everything here. Intake, turbo pipes, turbo blanket. Got both the bumpers, so might utilize this stock bumper. It's super light, so gonna somehow fab that up. Shout out to my boy Seth Ritchie, that's gonna help, oh my gosh, help make all that possible. We're going to Lexan that rear window, and we're gonna make those lightweight windows as well. So we're really going all out on this. Also, you can tell the front is higher than it was before, just with all of that stuff out. So essentially, that's the goal, is to reduce the weight on the front. Now, I have a question for you guys. Who has been making a lot of power with a aluminum 6-liter? Because right now this is a cast iron 6-liter, and I'm really wondering if I should spend the money and build an aluminum 6-liter, or should I just build the cast iron, send it, have some fun, and keep the 98 pounds. There's a difference between the two. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Should I go aluminum? Are they reliable enough for 11, 12, 13, 14, 1500 wheel horsepower? Or should I keep the cast iron and just bite the bullet on that and try and lose 100 pounds somewhere else? All right, well, go on. Okay, so I've got the bolts out of the motor mounts. So I'll show you that. Right down there. Not very good lighting on that side. Let me try this side. Hold on a second. Much better lighting. Okay. So the bolts off the back of that. We got now. Pop the bolts out. Get the hoist. Put it in here. The thing that I might have an issue, I have to super extend that arm because this truck is super low. I'm hoping that we can avoid hitting the frame down there. And if there's any little wires that I missed, that's what we're gonna have to take off. So other than that, we are that close from pulling the engine in the Ranger and transmission. We're pulling them both out because slip yoke. I also need to put a new pan on the transmission, and then we're gonna take apart the engine. That'll definitely be next episode, but today's goal was to pull the engine, and I think we will have that done soon. So let's get into pulling more engines. Rob and Steve are coming over. Shout out to them. They've been a big help in all my builds. Really, you can't beat having friends help you when you're trying to achieve your goals. So make sure you choose your friends wisely. Let's go pull some engines. Rob is super anti-camera. He doesn't like to be on camera, so we'll be sure to make sure we get some good footage of him today. Oh, that's a cool breeze, eh?
Real slow.
Yeah, why don't you start going out real quick?
Tires. There you go. Let's go all the way, man.
Sounds like my sex life. Bending rods. Taking names. I woke up this morning, my toe hurt. My foot got stepped on in the fight last night.
If my face hurts, though. It's kind of weird.
You got punched in the face by a girl.
Yeah, multiple times. Sucker punched me walking out of there.
Is it true, really?
Yeah. I walked through your door.
I wanted to fucking hit her so bad.
I know! And you know what's so funny? They were having...
Give a little bit
It must be like a dowel thing.
There it goes.
Very
You're
nice.
gonna have to pick up on that front.
Am I gonna get my hands
I
pinched?
just don't want to bend that shit up.
Okay.
Jack it up.